How's it going, gents? Here we are today doing a bit of landscaping with Tom. Got a Jeep, got a dingo. I've got 10 tons of dirt to move. Here's the 10 ton of dirt. That's got to go in the backyard. So I have to drive it through there. Let's get this open and I'll show you what we're working with. Made a little ramp for the dingo. It's got to go through the back. Trailer's up on the side so we can get through. And I am laying turf in the backyard. So as you can see, the dirt right now is all junk. It's 100 square meters of little backyard, and the dirt is absolutely crap. I've killed all the weeds off with Roundup and kind of folded it all over. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is why I thought it'd be funny to make a video, because I have literally no idea what I'm doing. But I'm going to take that topsoil with the dingo, lay it all down here, level it out, and in a couple of days I get the turf. So let's see if we can get this dingo off the trailer. No idea, I've never used one before. Literally no idea what I'm doing. But should be a laugh, eh? Bit of a giggle. Alright, that's what we're working with today. Little mini loader, little bucket. Don't know how we're gonna get this off, but we'll figure it out. It's got this freaking murdering device on it, and it looks like it chocks itself in at the bottom, so I'm gonna have to raise up the arm. Who knows? Got the ramps down. Look how freaking steep is it. This is gonna be fun. Let's get up on this thing, eh? Oh, Jesus, what am I doing? No idea. Precision shit right here. We get the bucket off the side of the trailer, so I have to line up all this shit perfectly. I've got to come in on a bit of an angle, so let's freaking give that a shot, eh? Alright, that took a long time to figure out how to do. We've got the bucket on, connect up the old hydraulic lines. Hopefully that just freaking learning about hydraulics now. So after about an hour of Googling, I found that this bucket was locked up. Looks like the hydraulic was maybe disconnected with pressure. So leave the pressure here, because no matter how hard I tried to get the quick connector, hydraulic quick connector to go in, it wouldn't go in. But now disconnect the pressure, hopefully this works. And there you go. That took way too long. So whoever used it last locked up the cylinders, left it with pressure. So as I've Googled now, when you turn it off, you're meant to go like this and this, relieve the pressure from the attachment. Otherwise you can't get it on. But now we've got the bucket on, let's get back to digging. All right, got the loader up to go over this step. Let's get up. Oh, we're in. we're about halfway done. So I've decided I'm not really good with the bucket just yet, and so I'm gonna just dump it like every square meter or so. I'm gonna just get the shovel. Got a couple of days till the turf comes, so I'm kind of level it out there. I think if I tried to use the bucket and smooth it out, I wouldn't do it very good. So as I found out trying to level all of this, it was kind of hard to scrape the bucket. It just kind of gets bogged. I'll just move all the dirt. So that's about 5 tons of dirt right there, and then I'll just kind of spread it out with a shovel. But let's get to it. We've got another 5 tons to do. Alright, it's the end of the day. 10 tons of topsoil in the backyard. So, done with a little digger. Spread the rest out by hand with a shovel. That's a lot of topsoil. 10 tons. They said 10 tons for 10 centimeters for 100 square meters, which this backyard is. Got a couple days. It's Thursday today, and the turf comes on Tuesday. So, a couple days to spread this out, level it, and then we start laying turf. Again, no idea what I'm doing. We'll see if this works. Alrighty, gents, it's the next day. I've spread out the little piles. Haven't done all of it. Got a couple little piles there that just grabbed from the garage, and haven't leveled it or anything yet. Just kind of spread it out so it's got full coverage. Alright, it's Sunday. I've just given it a good old rake over to try and level. It's proving to be very difficult to level, but you can see, it's getting there. So I've just been using this rake with the bar on the end to kind of spread it out. I've got a soil leveler coming tomorrow, the one with the 4 bars. Go over that tomorrow, and then that's Monday, and then Tuesday is turf day. Oh yeah, but also built a little barrier. So that's what I'm going to be turfing up against, into a little brick wall. Well, gents, this is Monday after leveling. You can see it's pretty level. Probably not as good as if I had a grader or a bobcat or something, but I've gone over about 1 billion times of this terrible contraption. And there's definitely some lumps in it, but I think that's as good as I'm going to be able to get it without a bobcat or another freaking day with a dingo. Hopefully that's alright. Turf comes tomorrow. Alrighty, gents. Turf has arrived. Let's start chucking her in the backyard. Alright. About a third done. This is hard work. Already looking great. So this is Sir Walter Buffalo turf. That's how it comes out. You can see it's got really gnarly roots on it. That's what makes it so durable. It's laying out good. It's obviously not perfectly flat. A bit wavy. I don't really care. I think it looks great. So what I've been doing is just wetting the area and chucking down a bit of this turf starter just to get it going. Just some little bits. Chuck a bit of this on it. And laying her out. We are done. That was quite the effort. This last bit was a bitch. I had to cut like 1 inch off the whole way, which is really hard with buffalo grass because it's very thick. It's all done right to the edge. Time to give it a good water and then hope that all goes good. That's it. Instant turf. Now we water. Next day, trying to keep it wet the whole time. Watering it like crazy. Landscaping with Tom update. It's been about 2 months. And look at this. Look how green and lush. She is beautiful. Just about to give her a mow. Just bought a new lawnmower. I'll show you the new lawnmower. It's going to be great, man. This turf's coming out beautiful. I've had this sprinkler on last month or so. And runs off the tank. Waters it for an hour and a half every morning. And brilliant. Boys, just having a beer. And look at that grass. Look at that beautiful turf. She's come in good. Gonna give it a mow next weekend. I think it's been a success, man. Dropping the turf. Looks beautiful. A couple of bits went a bit dry there. The smaller bits that kind of small cuts, but most of it is green and beautiful. Very happy. Well, I'm going to say that's the finished result. 2 months after I purchased the turf, just gave it a mow. I kept it quite high. That was the highest setting of the mower. This is the new Ryobi 18-volt brushless lawnmower. That's fantastic. I haven't done the edges yet, but this buffalo grass is looking green and lush. It still had some seed heads, so it was a little stressed. Either not enough water or the soil wasn't perfect, but it's actually started to leaf up now, and I think that is looking beautiful. For someone who has no idea about turfing or any kind of gardening in any way, I think I did a pretty okay job. I'm very happy with that. You can see how lush it is on the edges there. That is a finished product. Good job. Say hello to the snaky, eh? Oh, he's just right up. Hey, bud. Where are you gonna go, friend? He's actually a bit agitated, so.
Not good.
No, yeah, he was flaring up. He wasn't happy.
Fair enough. There's a piece of rubber over here.
Not happy, are ya? Steve Irwin caught ya. Gotcha, buddy. All right, buddy. Return to the wild for you. Just, hopefully it goes that way, and then.
Dude, it's not gonna go that way.
Alrighty. Be free. Be free. Wee. Oh no. Yes, go.
It's going towards you, Tom.
Go the other way, champ. Yeah. There he goes. Slither away. Bye bye.